Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Say, we're at the exact same spot today I was a year ago. I mean the exact same spot when I made an onan video repair video. And take this opportunity, I guess, same spot, same location, same everything, to make another brief follow-up. If you've got a onan generator that runs fine, stops, and then a little while later it'll run fine again, that's the only problem. It's not any other problem except for that. Then I have a fix video, and I'm going to link that in the description here. And if you've not seen that video, onan generator runs fine then stops, you need to stop this video, go watch it, then come back and watch this video, or it won't make no sense to you. Anyway, it's been a year now since I did that fix. And just a little follow-up for you. We've ran it a couple dozen hours between then and now. 2 hours here, 6 hours there, an hour here. Nothing prolonged. But we're out on vacation and we have already 74 hours, including a 14-hour day where it ran constantly. Up a lot of hills, down a lot of hills, around curves out here on the Pacific Coast Highway. Happy to report, 0 issues, none. Works 100% of the time. That definitely was the fix. 98% of the dozens and dozens of comments in my original video fixed their problem the same way. Pretty much a free fix. Anyway, the couple that didn't work on had other issues for the most part. Throttle response issue, bad fuel, stuff like that. But I'm talking about if your generator runs fine, stops, and then a short while later it'll run again fine. Anyway, just going to report that we've now, if you take these 74.9, if you take these, let's just say 75 hours, and you add it to the ones we've used it since I first did the fix, you're going to be at about 125 hours of operating time without a single failure. And before that, it was failing constantly, every hour. So anyway, thumbs up that thing took care of it and did the fix. The oil issue did. And from the same spot a year later, follow-up video, everything still works fine. No issues, I mean none whatsoever. Alright, hope it helps another 100 people. That's all I got for you today, guys and gals from the beautiful Pacific Northwest. Have a great day. Share and subscribe if you would.